Hey guys, Kapper here, and welcome to today's episode. Another fun one with Mrs. Kapper and I. Wait a minute. That's the wrong episode. You can't time out. We can't watch this one yet until we watch today's episode. I'm kind of getting ahead of myself, but as you can see, since somebody kind of messed up the series, we have made a lot of progress in the last few days. So today, let's go have some fun with me and Mrs. Kapper. And somebody asked us about why we do the Mr. and Mrs. thing. It sounds arrogant. Well, it was just security thing. So, I mean, we're out there enough now that I guess I'm Joe and she's Sharon. So, Joe and Sharon. But now we're used to it, you know, Mr. and Mrs. Kapper. Anyways, let's get to today's episode where she puts me to work manually, which you guys know that usually doesn't go too good, so let's have some fun. Man, look at my barn. She is taking it over. This bay is for excavator, and then one was for the dump truck, but I got all kinds of implements sitting out in the weather. Look at this, man. She just keeps hauling stuff back into the pole barn.
Hey everybody, Mrs. Kapper here. Today is Sunday, December 20th, and much to, I think, Mr. Kapper's surprise and maybe some dismay, I unloaded that entire trailer full of wood that him and Curtis almost broke their backs on. So
okay, we both hurt our backs already after 3 pieces.
Oh, workman's comp, Mrs. K.
Wait a minute. Is that on our business or yours, workman's comp?
Oh, shit.
You're good now. You own the property.
we're gonna go back and get some tin off of the old garage. But what he doesn't know is that I want to get a few other things, because I know there's room on a trailer, right? Make it worth the trip. So here we go.
Hey guys, Kapper here. Well, it's Sunday. What is it? December 20th. And I'm going with Mrs. Kapper over to Curtis's 8 acres, and it should be a quick in and out. At least for me. I'm just going to help her grab some tin off of the lean-to roof. We might need the excavator, we might not. We're going to just see how it goes. But then I'm out of here. We're taking 2 cars, so should be a quick in and out. Boom, boom, boom. We'll see what happens. So this is the starting point here today. Basically, you just want to grab this tin up here. A lot of it's loose already. Oh, I just stepped on a nail. It's stuck in the bottom of my shoe. So anyways, we're going to try and get this tin. We might need the excavator. It depends if the nails are bent. A lot of them have been bent underneath, so we'll see.
Sure, you got the stuff that just slides off, and I was prying and...
Yeah, I know what to pick. It may not look like it, people, but these do weigh about 150 pounds each, give or take.
Wow, they must be a little bit different than the ones I had.
Yeah, these are heavier duty ones.
Really?
Your ones you got on the chicken coop were the lightweight ones.
Oh, wow. Well, then I better let you just finish.
Well, maybe. See how easy they go.
We need to get you a helmet. Hey, there's a red plastic bucket there. Put that on your head. Behind you. Alright, I couldn't stand watching him doing this without some kind of headgear. So I found him a safety helmet.
I got glasses in my truck. I'll go grab them.
What is that? It's got to be OSHA approved, right?
I think so. For Southern Illinois it is.
Let me see it.
Took me a while to find the right size. Fit the big melon, you know.
Oh yeah, gets bigger every day, doesn't it?
I guess. Found some good glasses. Probably just get dirt in my eye. I'd better get the ones in the truck.
Oh, I wonder if this was like the original screen door on that front door.
We're here for tin and tin only.
It's a little bit too roached out even for me. Oh, more wood windows back there.
Stubborn one.
Dang it. Okay, here's a midstream look. And yes, I kept my glasses on. I got about 200 sheets or so peeled down. Mrs. Kapper's de-nailing them.
Is this one of them heavy ones? Because I'll look for the
Do you need me to help you? But anyways,
Yeah, I don't think so.
I got most of them off. I did rip a couple that are no good anymore. That's just part of the game. Can't wait to tear this building down right here, this garage. I guess I'm moving slow. She's got them all just about de-nailed, and I got a few more to work on yet. She's got a process down pretty good, right?
What?
You got a process down pretty good.
Yeah. I think I'm getting some muscles too lifting these things.
Yeah, these are the heavy ones. You better be careful with them.
Yeah. Watch out, I don't want to hurt you.
All right, I'll back up.
Okay, so here's the couple of pieces of wood I wanted to get. They were just right there on that floor. It's the old beadboard. It's some 2x4s that are oak. And some of the old floorboards. I bet we can even fit more on the trailer.
Okay, here's a midstream look. So much for just a few pieces of tin, honey. This is all oak in here, this whole thing. We got true oak 2x4s, and this tongue and groove. It was on the walls. I don't know if this is shiplap or what it is, but she wanted it. Let's see what Ron's doing.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Kapper. That's a pretty small load for that little trailer. I bet we could get more, but yeah, I ain't pushing my luck here. Time to head out. Oh, lots of room to go up.
Is this a tree plant? Or what is this? Yeah. So that new brush pile right there was all the trees here that were next to the garage lean-to thing. So those are all gone.